Let's make the Bocce Rum Ball. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're going to make the Bocce Rum Ball. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. This drink was inspired by some viewers, Lewis and Brittany, who contacted me through Facebook and said, hey, have you ever made a bocce ball? I said, no, I've not even heard of that. So I looked it up online. And it turns out there's three major variants of the bocce ball. The first one, the oldest one, is orange juice and amaretto. The second one adds some club soda. And the third one, the most interesting one, takes some of the amaretto out and puts vodka instead. Obviously, none of these are rum-based drinks. However, as we all know, white rum is better than vodka, so I could swap out the vodka for a white rum and make the Bocce Rum Ball. The history of this drink is not clear. It became popular in the late 70s, early 80s. It has amaretto in it, which is an Italian liqueur, and it's named after an Italian lawn game called bocce ball. So some people suspect that it is of Italian origin, but nobody really knows. If you know more about the history of the bocce ball cocktail, let me know in the comments down below. A note on the rum. This is primarily a juicy cocktail, so you don't need a high quality rum when you're making this drink, whatever. I'm just going to be using a white rum. I'm using Trader Joe's Rum of the Gods. If you want to try a different white rum, feel free to do so. Let me know how it turns out. Also, if you want to try a different style of rum, a dark rum, a spice rum, something, and that works out, let me know about that in the comments as well. We are going to make this drink in the glass, and I'm going to start by putting a little bit of ice in. Then I'm going to add my garnish. The official garnish is an orange wheel, and as we all know, my oranges tend to be very big. So I'm going to slide that in the glass now instead of trying to force it in later. I'll force it in now. Then I'm going to add a little bit more ice. Fill that up. And yes, I'm using my hand. Forgive me. Or don't, your choice. Now I'm going to add the amaretto. 1/2 ounce of amaretto. And some recipes put up to a full ounce. To me, that was a bit much. 1/2 ounce is enough for me, which is 15 milliliters. Then 1.5 ounces of your rum, or if you're doing 1 ounce of amaretto, 1 ounce of rum. I'm doing 1.5. That is 45 milliliters. I don't have the best sense of smell, but I can smell the amaretto from here. 1/2 ounce is plenty for me. Next, all recipes say, that I found at least, 5 ounces of orange juice. 5 ounces is 150 milliliters. I'm just going to top off my glass. If you'd like to measure, feel free to do so. You may have to adjust your ice. Add a straw. See, that was enough. Just a little bit of spill. And give it a couple little pokes. Mix it up a little bit. And there you have it. The Bocce Rum Ball. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. Is there a drink you'd like to see me make? Whether it's rum-based or vodka-based or something else based that I can swap the rum in for, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to give it a try. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. If you want a t-shirt, you can have a t-shirt. All you have to do is contact me through the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at that social media link, or all of them, might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.